From the moment pregnancy begins, profound changes sweep through a woman's body. Muscles and joints shift, the heartbeat accelerates, and blood surges powerfully through veins and arteries. Every organ undergoes transformation, guided by an intricate interplay of hormones. Just days after fertilization, the embryo implants itself into the uterine lining. Interestingly, although its DNA isn't an exact match to the mother's, her immune system doesn't attack it like it would bacteria or viruses. Instead, a complex interaction involving multiple immune cell types occurs, some actively protecting the fetus from potential threats. The cervix creates a mucus plug, an antibacterial barrier that seals off the womb, keeping harmful germs away until labor begins. As pregnancy advances, the growing uterus expands, accommodating the developing fetus. Hormones such as progesterone and relaxin instruct muscles throughout the body to loosen. This relaxing effect extends to the digestive tract, slowing down the movement of food and waste, potentially causing constipation. Muscles at the stomach entrance also relax, sometimes allowing acid to flow back into the esophagus, leading to heartburn and reflux, symptoms often intensified by morning sickness due to elevated hCG hormone levels. Additionally, the expanding uterus pushes upward on the diaphragm, limiting lung capacity. To compensate, progesterone increases respiratory rate, ensuring sufficient oxygen supply to both mother and baby, though this often leaves the mother feeling short of breath. Meanwhile, the kidneys ramp up the production of erythropoietin, boosting red blood cell count. They also retain extra water and salt, significantly increasing blood volume by as much as 50%. However, this additional blood volume is somewhat diluted, containing only 25% more red blood cells. Since the fetus uses nutrients from the mother's diet to build its own blood supply, the mother often experiences a nutrient deficit, particularly iron. The heart, working harder to pump increased blood through both the body and placenta, raises the mother's heart rate. Researchers are still exploring precisely how blood pressure fluctuates in healthy pregnancies, as many serious complications involve cardiovascular issues. As the uterus grows, it may compress veins, leading to fluid buildup in legs and feet. If it presses against the inferior vena cava, blood flow returning to the heart can be restricted, causing dizziness, especially after prolonged standing. Near the end of pregnancy, some bodily changes start reversing even before birth. As labor approaches, the fetus moves lower, relieving diaphragm pressure, allowing deeper breaths. Much excess fluid exits when the water breaks, and postpartum, the uterus gradually returns to its original size. Pregnancy also impacts brain function in ways we're only beginning to understand. Recent studies indicate brain structure changes after pregnancy and in early parenting phases, potentially enhancing parenting abilities like interpreting facial cues, a crucial skill since babies communicate non-verbally. Historically, pregnancy research has prioritized fetal development over maternal experiences. As a result, there's still much to discover about pregnancy's diverse effects on women. Ongoing research will hopefully address this imbalance, providing insights and improved treatments. Every pregnancy journey is unique, so always consult a healthcare professional with specific concerns. For more informative content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.